Hello everyone, it's Rita here, and this time I decided to make a decorated envelope. Sometimes I need such a thing. I used cotton candy pink, apothecary azure, and black orchid silver sprays. I sprayed them randomly over the sheet of paper. After spraying the sheet with sprays, I used a spray with water and sprayed the sheet, and then I used the brush and added some extra water in order to blend everything. I trimmed the paper to the right size and used the envelope making board to make an envelope. Diamond paste and added it for the stencil. This paste is similar to icing paste. I used clear gesso to make my cutout pieces steadier, and I used a waterproof ink pad to stamp my envelope. I used white gesso and covered my chipboard with it. I used cotton candy pink spray to color my chipboard. I colored it with a brush.